Hey folks, Adam here again, and today we're looking at the Drive Rollator. This is a fantastic rolling walker. In fact, it is Amazon's best seller for rolling walkers. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. One of the fantastic things about this, now first it does come in either red or blue. When we look at the wheels, these are 7.5-inch wheels, which make it ultra sturdy and easy to where it's not going to be tripping over things. And really, if you don't have a walker yet, this thing can be a lifesaver because people really do have problems with slip and fall. If you've even got a slight injury or you tend to fall down, it's probably time to invest in a walker. Now, some of the real fantastic aspects of this is the seat. I'm going to show you. If you are walking with this, great brakes. And then the aspect that you can sit down and rest easily is really going to be a help for people. You know, if you're going 100 yards, 50 yards, anything, sometimes you just need a little break, sit down, and then get back up and move along. So this is fantastic. Now, some of the other brands that I've had a chance to look at, the seats aren't as sturdy, they may crack under weight, and they aren't as comfortable. One had a folding seat, and that caused pinching, and you don't want pinching there. The fact that it's a flat leather seat with a little bit of cushioning is going to be great for a lot of users. Again, comes in red, comes in blue, #1 bestseller, has almost a 5-star average with thousands of reviews. That means that people love Drive. And even the little things, just a little bit of cushioning here for your back, really make a difference. The brakes are sturdy and fantastic. Pretty much bicycle brakes on this thing to where you're not going to have to worry about it. And for folks who travel with this, it's going to fit very well into the back of your car, which is going to be important as well. Not everyone is completely, they want to be able to pack this thing up. So go ahead and order today. Order with confidence. It's available on Amazon. Again, Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.